What's up guys, my name is Igbo G in case you don't know, so welcome back to my channel. So today I'm doing something extra special, you know what I mean? Recently I researched on YouTube, I researched on vlogs about Nigerian traditional weddings. It happened that I found out that I got a lot of results, but the result I got was quite different. All the focuses were officer. Hi officer, I need the shoot to give. Shoot officer. No. So sorry, the officer interrupted. Well, by the way, so what I was saying is this: recently I made a research on YouTube about Nigerian traditional vlogs, and the result I got was quite huge. But most of the vlogs are focusing more on the bride. So today I decided to do something differently from what I've seen so far. And a friend of mine is having his traditional marriage on Saturday. That is tomorrow morning. So I'll be doing a vlog focusing more on him. Don't get me wrong, I will do a cover for the bride, but mainly the vlog will be all about the bride. The vlog will be all about the groom. That's my friend. So right now I'm going to my friend's place, Were, Imo State, and by tomorrow morning we will be heading to Igba Nkwu local government in Imo State. That's the bride sometimes, where the whole thing is gonna happen. So right now with me is my friend, a very good friend of mine. Guy, go see you today.
My name is Oloye, known as Obuago. This is my very good friend. If you like, perhaps a brother from another home. Thank you very much.
Brother from another home.
Thank you.
Keep watching. Please don't touch the dial. Keep on watching. I promise I'm going to bring a lot of exciting things for you guys. Just keep watching. Nah, you and Biko. Make una no change that thing. Just keep watching. For now, I will stop talking. See you later. What's up guys, this is my friend I told you about. He's the one doing his traditional marriage today. So as it is right now, we're about heading down to Igba Nkwu local government in Imo State, and that's the bride sometime.
Yes, you're right, you're there.
So my friend, what do you have to say? How are you feeling today? Okay, so I know people, you got to go.
Yeah,
not comfortable one day.
Yeah, I'm very happy. I'm very happy for today. I thank God Almighty who make it possible for today to be like this.
Yeah.
Because of the reason one day. Because the one is away.
Oh, you're my brother.
So that's the thing. I thank God. I'm really happy today. Yeah.
All of this. For now, guys, I'm gonna keep the camera rolling. But for now, I will end the talking and see you guys later.
Yeah.
Peace.
One love.
Yeah.
These are my niggas. My people. Yeah. When then they go back for the compound. And I'm my house in the American villa. They do food there, me here. If on there, if I'm mad, and when you wear hammer.
When she see the money, she go dance. She go wine for me, she go wine. She go wine for me, she go wine.
So guys, we're already on the way. We're heading to Igba Nkwu local government right now. Hello. I get me fan. Everything I go from. No shaking. I know I'm supposed to be wearing my traditional clothes, but it doesn't mean since I'm behind the camera,
Okay.
all I have to do is just show you guys the exotic style of the Igbo rich traditional marriage. So that's what we are about to witness right now. Yeah. Oh no, you can have fun. You can catch it if you have fun. It's okay, I got another one. Guy. Oh, that's good.
Oh yeah, we come again. When she see the money, she go dance. She go wine for me, she go wine. She go wine for me, she go wine.
Did you see that Rochas is working in a way?
Is it not so painful? It's so painful that we have to pass his house to come to see this. And your road is so fine. One day, you could tell one day.
Oh, efficient. Hey, you never book it.
One day, I greet you. I'm not talking about inside there, you know?
Because I am about the chairman of today's occasion. Now we have our Lord Jesus Christ. Starting from the day of creation, He knew that we will be here because of our brother and our sister. He knew that there will be a union like this. And He granted us journey mercy from our various destinations to here. Please wave your hands unto the Lord. He is the Most High God.
Have you seen my beautiful baby? Have you seen my tomato baby? Oh, ELA, baby, suffer the cool me temper. Ada, baby, na sugar. Yo. Everybody they wait. Utakene no more. If any maka, better soup na money kilamo. Ada mwa peke ya. Ada. Yo. Change someone.
Daddy chere kwa papa speed. Daddy papa speed. Umunna oge ruo mgbe nna na-eji agụnye nwa ya ọkụ n'aka. N'ihi na asị ọkụ ọbụla nna agụnyere nwa ya n'aka anaghị eregbu ya. Daddy, ị ga-ewuru igwe eji ekwu okwu kpọọ nwa gị nwaanyị ahụ ị na-akpọ ya. Gị kpọọ ya ga-ebunye mmịa sị nwoke ahụ na-emebi isi. Ya ga-akpọtara gị aka efu. Otito dịrị Jesu. Ije enwere onye kpọtara m sọ onye aka gị na ya ga-anọkwa nne Emaronya ga akpọrọ ya. Ori ihe were aka ni. Ga akpọrọ m ma ahụ onye ọhụ. Gawa. Daddy ezini ye. Ni pitoka. Chere pe DJ were wayo. DJ were wayo. Ne chere kweno. Ne chere no. Ne buma ya bia baba. Ne bia wa. So MC. Juju bia. Iya rim gua cerita kontrak sama dia menes pa. Juju ne janga. Follow. Ne priya ne ya nako. Big Apples wana movement ki Juju. Ega Apples movement ki DJ were wayo. DJ were wayo. I got home school. But from him now tanga now. Enwere akwa. Mbobula nwanyi ndashiri nwoke akwa. Ama bagi ihe o signify. Umokrobia more especially from American dealer. Biko. Yana ihe n'isi girl ahịa before ya zụwa ahịa. Ọrị m ibu ahịa abụọ, ọgwụ ahịa abụọ. Ịma nwoke ọbụla ji alụga nwunye lụga ihe abụọ, gị na-alụ nwaanyị gị na-ala gburu ụlọ ha. Adị ụmụ nwaanyị dị ka a gbara na-egwu egwu, ibute ha isi. Biko bịanụ bịa na ha na ihe a. Achọ m ịkpa ahịa ego. Mana onye ọbụla ochi n'obi for 500 naira ndị dealers. Biko onye ọbụla, this girl agaghị ihe abụọ at a time. O buke, o nwetebe onye ga-azụ ya ahụ. O buke, naghị enyi okwu load. Bịarịwa obi. 5 only of us 500. For giving 2,000, give you 3,000, 5,000, 10,000. You give MCMC with it. 500. I get it. I have. When you 1,000, here what I for. Suleiman. Juju. Sorry. Sule. Don't forget the run. Na piawano. Na usasile gona. Daddy will see another. Only of us drop off. They drop okay, I got it here. I get it here now. 500, I get it here. Because you clean and green initiative have one toto. On your toto pala. On your toto 500 to 1 here. I got to go here to try. Here one. I been 200. Only 200 be out to 1 here. Here one. I got to try here. One is rowa. On your blood rowa. On your blood row. So one when you win I got through one. Zuruwano. Una abula yo boge zonyo abula. Soma. Una abula yo bola brano yo abula. Una abula yo. Juju kulo dan igere ta hin abu ibu. Igere ta kere kwen kozo. Ima wanyo arega ha na street. Wa bo bla arega ha na street. Ore go hin abu. Yene rega ro recharge card. Ore start recharge. Young, you can bring it to 200. To 200. That is in your thing. That is whatever. To 200. I get it here. I get it here. Juju, I get move. To 200.
Oya le chabano, oya te gbogbo mume. Asame ni tewe, iyewe jekwe mele. Oya suru gede, oya te gbogbo mume. Aga me buru manya, ujere papa kiyo. Ani gese kwani kogozi emuna kiyo. I want to give you a ring, oh my love. I want to take you to church, oh my love. I want to give you my all, oh my love. My girl, I no fit pretend, oh. I'm serious, oh baby, oh. If not be you, nobody better.
Yes.
Oya le chabano, oya te gbogbo mume. Asame ni tewe, iyewe jekwe mewe. Oya suru gede, oya te gbogbo mume. Aga me buru manya bujere papa giyo. Ani gese pwane kogozi emuna giyo. I want to give you a ring, oh my love. I want to take you to church, oh my love. I want to give you my all, oh my love. My girl, I no fit pretend, oh. I'm serious, oh baby.
Lolo, okay, motos, riwego. Mommy, riwe money. Eminga short sleeve on. Daddy, ne short sleeve fine now. Royal Prince and missing ka. Nigga, ngwa, daddy, nwa gi wen, chere agbapala speed. Nwa gi nwa yidi ni oji, ege ni okonaka. Oka here bu here. Oge were kwe here ho yidi ni eshi aja zota. Ni a chigi back. Ghana to miss ye na ha wan kan kebre. Ni na ebre nwezi ka ogo lo bele chro. Na ndi ministry na ge chebre 5000 e miss ye legi. So juju, I ga kpota di ga gbakwane ya. Si ani ni ga kpota nwoke hu na emebigo obi. Nwoke hu ge megi ga buru to labama. I wotara ihe mmini ge be ya ho emi ge wure ihe enyi ye miss ye na nnu kan kebre. Juju ngwan. Talk. Ọtọ dịrị Jesu. Ọkụ a gere nwata n'aka na-ere bụ ọkụ eziokwu. Onye ka m bụ? O jere bụrụ m ka asị gọzie ndị a. Ọ bụ ya bụ ihe obiọma jiri kpam. Mana ihe m chọrọ ka ọ dị na rekọdụ taa bụ alụmdi na nwaanyị nwa nwokorobịa na nwa agbọghọbịa. Chineke edene ya site n'ụbọchị ụtụtụ o kere ha. Ihe o jiri dị otu aha bụ onye mbụ lụrụ Adam, aha ya bụ Emmanuel. Adam mbụ m kere, onye lụrụ ya na aha ya bụ Emmanuel. Onye mụtara nke nwoke na-alụ nwa m taa, onye mụtara ya na Emmanuel. Nwa okorobịa ahụkwana diọkpara m nke m mụrụ n'afọ, aha ya bụ Emeka. Onye na-alụkwana nwa m taa, aha ya bụ Emeka. Ya ka m jere gwa ụlọ sị, kemgbe a mụrụ ha ka Chineke ji dekọọ ya. Otu ahụ ọ dị n'obodo Galili, Jesu mere mmiri ka ọ bụ mmanya. Otu ọ ka a ga-adị na ndụ ha n'aha Jesu Kristi onye nwe anyị. Amen. Daddy, thank you. This is what Galilee. That means you me and I'm going to strong me here me.
Mama le, she belongs to somebody. Yeah. Mama le, you belong to somebody. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Now somebody baby. Aye. She be somebody baby. Yeah. Girl, they pay me say you be somebody baby. Oh no, my African lady. Yeah. So come make I tell you, oh baby, my beautiful lady. I see be somebody, baby. As I'm better one, I'm crazy. Now who get the lady, oh? If we're not there together, hold on to your baby, oh. And if that your good misbehave, myself a radio, my body radio, money plenty, oh. Everything go radio. Mama, let she be somebody, baby. Somebody baby. Now I'm rocking the floor with somebody baby. I'm in love with the baby. Wanna somebody baby. Mama le, she be somebody baby. Mama le, somebody baby. Mama le, somebody baby. I'm in love with the baby. Wanna somebody baby. Somebody Now that person will go keep you company. That somebody, no be body. Anyhow when you want them, not your body. Oh no, no, I no go leave them. My liver deeper, and it be like river. Now who go fish and must me they feel them. If the thing go bitter, we go put on sugar. Oh yeah. She be somebody, baby. Oh no, no, now I know that I'm crazy. So now who get the lady, oh. If we're not there together, hold on to your baby, oh. And if that your would misbehave, myself a radio, my body radio, money plenty, oh. Everything go radio. Mama lay, she be somebody, baby. Mama lay, somebody, baby. Now I'm rocking the floor with somebody, baby. I'm in love with the baby, but not somebody, baby. Mama lay, she be somebody, baby. Mama lay, somebody, baby. Mama lay, not somebody, baby. I'm in love with the baby, but not somebody, baby. I'm in love with somebody's baby. I know that I'm crazy. Yeah. Now who get the lady, oh.
Jones so cute. I'm gonna Jones so cute. All my people they go Jones so cute. Boss man you go Jones so cute. When the bed do they enter body. All the girl them go shake their body. They go shake their body. Oluwa bona mo gbona feli. Say mo gbona feli. You know get money you take up police. Me I dey love you gone. Say I take grace and no nama, but I go spray you the money on your ma. You supposed to know say me no be newcomer. So my baby make you no go dollar, no go dollar. When the bed do they enter body. All the girl them go shake their body. They go shake their body. Oluwa bona mo go na feli. They mo go na feli. You know the money you take up police. Me I dey love you gone. As I dey sing they feel the pulse. Make all the people jump around. Make you dey listen well because I know if you shout. No joking around. Listen, make I tell you what it's all about. I know if you tell you I see what I ain't the coconut. You sit down inside boss, you say you be boss. Oh yeah, look da da da. Look da da da. Say suma pikin with the para with the ga ga ga. Kilo shele ba ba ba. Oh look da da da. Look da da da.
Guys, we dey chop, but this one now like the third plate. You know it. Guys, they hungry. Third. You have to speak full name. Full name. If you have international, can you no, I know what. I am international team.
Igbo, where's na confuse you in Igbo. Eto, iri, you cover no the way. Okay, abo, confuse you.
Where we had a good before. asị na ọ bụ na mgbe ochie na oge anya Adam ba nna ya na ma anụ nwaanyị na anụ nwaanyị nke ha mgbe anyị mechara wedding gbaba ha na ofuru yotago na nwunye ya ha nọzi dị gbuo onwe ha yotago mana n'anya anyị kịta na the thing ọ dị ka emego ya enweghị iwe ikwu
no comment.
Although that one I got the answer. Nwunye Emeka ọ bụ na mgbe ochie mgbe nna n'anya Adamfa emesịa traditional wedding akpọchi ha n'ofudu ahapụrụ ha tụọ ihu ha egbubezi onwe ha dị amaniọta so amụrụ nke o si edego na Emeka kịta emego the thing already go Emeka si njụọ gị direct n'ihi agba nke bụ eziokwu Good afternoon. Asị m ajụọ gị elekwanụ ka obi dị gị na nwa gị nwoke bụ Emeka mere traditional wedding ya yesterday?
Nweta obi na obi jupụtara m n'aṅụrị. Obi jupụtara n'aṅụrị ya last born m.
Okay.
So obi ji m aṅụrị ihe rịa na nwa m na adị m ndụ taa nwa m alụọ nwaanyị.
So ka ekpere ị na-ekpekwasịkwa n'isi?
Ekpere m na-ekpekwasị n'isi ya ka Chineke mere ya ebere nyere ya aka. Nye ya agamnihu. Nye ya ọmụmụ nwoke ọmụmụ nwaanyị ihe ọ bụla ọ na-etinye aka dị mma ibe ya emege ka ọ dịrị ya mma na ọ ga nne zụcha nwa azọ na ole anya mbụ na ha ga-azụ m echi so ana m arịọ Chineke ka ọ nyere ha aka n'aha Jizọs.
Amen. Okay, mommy, thank you very much. Thank you. Chineke. Okay. Cake also ato.
I don't know, very sweet.
Kwa ya.
There is even the thing ọ gbaka gam n'isi nga. The thing nyeto no gị
mecha gị ya na-eme gị na ihe nyeto. Ka mụ a soro kono gị. Eri ụta anọ.
Ọtọgaba no bad.
Atidalo no.
God bless you.
How are you?
I'm good, sir. That's my jogi. Cake obi dị gị maka Emeka traditional wedding come yesterday.
Very nice. I'm having another daughter-in-law.
Okay.
Very happy.
Right.
Well organized too.
Okay. So what are the prayers you're praying upon them?
Progress, peace of mind, love and peace.
Okay.
We're living well in this compound, so we should not be a different person. We're all living in peace. I pray God bless them and give them the fruit of the womb.
Amen.
Jesus' name.
Amen. Thank you, sir, very much. Auntie, I want to have a small interview with you.
Okay.
I heard you are one of the biggest supporters during the Emeka traditional wedding yesterday.
Yes.
So Emeka is my friend, and I really thank you personally on my own for the support you rendered on him. And I want to ask, how do you feel about this traditional marriage yesterday?
In fact, yesterday I was highly elevated by the way things actually went yesterday. I was happy, I was impressed. My heart was filled with gladness of the whole thing that happened. And Emeka is one of my brothers-in-law, and he got married that yesterday to Julius Vitus. And I was so much happy and impressed. I give God all the glory. Yes,
so what are your special prayers on the new wedded couples?
Like I said in the other persons that interviewed me, I said God who has started that young couples and young home, who started it yesterday. God has so many things to do in their lives. First of all, God will continue to promote them. God will give them long life, prosperity. They have children, boys, girls, to beautify the home. Most especially, they will know God, and God will always be the first before their plans. So I committed everything about them to the hands of God, and I said God will continue to bless them. Even the mother-in-law of Juliet, God will bless her. The father-in-law and the mother-in-law of Emeka, Christopher, and Aro, God will bless both families.
Amen. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you.
It's about to go down again. Amy, so far so good. We thank God for everything that has been going on well. And this should be like a heart-to-heart interview I'm doing with you right now, because I haven't done any heart-to-heart interview with you. So I would like to ask you, the marriage has ended yesterday. How are you feeling about how you're feeling right now?
But I'm so happy the way everything went yesterday.
Okay.
I'm very happy for my friends that came to support the marriage. Everything went well, and I'm also thanking God how it made it possible that yesterday everything does go very smoothly.
Yes. So you are now indeed a fully married man.
Yes.
Congratulations, my brother. Oh no, you're white.
Thank you, brother.
Oh no, na kai kwani. Oh no, afa, it's na afa madra na ni. Choka any problem no. Ajo mi afa oloye man, no sim oloye man. Nada go.